All right, so the Labs at Build are one of our most popular events that we have. In fact, we are running at 100% capacity pretty much all through the event. And we have 14 unique labs that we are repeating multiple times on really a variety of topics. It goes from Windows to AI, obviously, Copilot, but also things like, Fabric and Foundry IQ and everything. Now, the really cool thing is that even though they are very popular at Build, people can also catch them at home. So we have labs on demand that you can get. And also we have a series of events until end of June, and those are called Build Localhost. So Localhost is a series of events which is organized by the community. We have something like 100 events worldwide, and part of those events are going to be some repeats of the labs that we have at Build, as well as some of the breakouts delivered by people from the community, such as our most valuable professional, global AI community, etc. So make sure to check the links and catch one of the local events near you if you can, or you can also do the labs at home on demand.